This is a screen recorded video of how to create a drawing on Fusion 360. The first thing that you're going to be doing when you're on Fusion is making sure you are in third angle projection. I already am, but I'll show you the process. You click on your little icon up here and go to Preferences. And under Preferences, we have an area called Drawing. Click on Drawing. Up here, you are going to be set to inherit from design, but you're going to change that to ISO, and you're going to change your projection angle to third angle projection, and click apply, then OK, and that means that your drawings will come through in third angle projection, a way that we understand according to British standards. To create your drawings of your Desktidy, you are going to click on Design and come down to the drawing workspace. You're going to create a drawing from your design. Let Fusion work in the background, and you're going to create a drawing of the full assembly. It's going to be a new drawing. We said ISO at the start there, so we're going to create the ISO for the standard and click OK, and that's going to bring up a drawing page in your browser window. You'll see that that's tiny, so we need to change the scale of it so that we can see the full part on the page with decent detail. The two things that influence scale are the size of the object and the size of your bit of paper. We have got 1 and 5. I think we can change that to 1 and 2, which means it's half size. This is a fully assembled part, so if we click the front view there, we'll call that the elevation. In fact, put it in the middle, call it the elevation, and we can click OK from there. That gives us the elevation of the part, the front view. We're going to create some projected views from that. So projected view, click on the front view, that's the parent. Up above, that gives you the plan, and to each side an end elevation. You will notice right here that there's a small mistake that I could go in and edit, but I'm not going to just now, of that part. These joints overlap. I've not done that joint properly, but it's a good check here. We want to start to label our views. Labeling the views is the first thing we do. So we click on text and click where you want to put your details. I'm putting in there. The view at the top is called plan, and that should be in block capital letters. The view at the front is called the elevation. And we have two end elevations. And one more. It is important that we line up our text box as accurately as possible. And we have another end elevation over there. British Standard says that our text here should be in block capitals and consistent. So we've got our 4 views sitting on screen. It is now time to dimension. Because this is a fully assembled view, it's only the critical dimensions of the overall component we need in here. So to put in our dimensions, we've got the dimension tab up here. We can click on dimension and click on the sizes we want to create. I want to go from that corner to that corner. That will give me the total width, 162 millimeters. We'll go from this corner to this corner, and again we're going to line up the lengths of the dimensions, 222 millimeters, and really the third, we'll need the height, so we'll take the height off of this end elevation, and that gives us the overall width, the breadth, and the height of our Desktidy. That is how we do the assembled view of our Desktidy.